Hello guys, good morning. How are you today? I hope you guys all in the good condition and stay healthy. Today, let me explain about tourism and coronavirus. Coronavirus or COVID-19 is a large family of viruses that cause mild to moderate upper respiratory infections, such as flu. Many people are infected with this virus at least once in their lives. Anyone can be infected with the coronavirus. However, infants and young children, as well as people with weak immunity, are more vulnerable with this virus attack. In addition, seasonal conditions may also be influential. For example, in the United States, America, coronavirus infections are more common in the fall and winter. In addition, someone who lives or visits an area or country that is prone to the coronavirus is also at risk of developing this disease. For example, visiting China, especially the city of Wuhan, which was once a COVID-19 outbreak that began in December 2019. The impact of the coronavirus that emerged since the end of 2019 did not only affect health. The economics of various countries were also infected. The tourism industry is one of them. Although China has made various efforts to prevent the spread of the coronavirus from Wuhan, case after case has been found in the other countries. This caused people to be more afraid to travel. The flight was quiet and the country isolated, so it looks like it was isolated. The weakening of the tourism industry due to the coronavirus also occurs in Indonesia. Some tourist destinations in Indonesia experience a drastic decline in visitors. Bali is one of the destinations most affected. Foreign tourists are the number one source of income from the island of the gods. Moreover, tourists from China are the biggest contributors. In February 2020, more than 400,000 tourists came to Bali according to the Bali Immigration Office, and this figure has fallen by 33% since January due to the coronavirus. The number of Chinese tourists to Bali was drastically reduced. The tourist industry is an industry that involves humans as its main commodity. Therefore, airlines, hotels, restaurants, and travel agents who rely on their income from the tourist experience a crisis due to the spread of the coronavirus. If left unchecked, the country could suffer losses due to the tourism industry, which continues to bloom. Growing international tourism is one of the industries that has significantly raised the global commodity since the 1950s. The number of tourists who travel internationally is 1 billion in 2010 and 1.4 billion in 2018. According to WHO, this figure is expected to continue to grow. However, since the coronavirus touched a global scale, this number has declined. Seeing the situations, the Minister of Tourism and Creative Economy, Wisnu Tama, seeks to move domestic tourism in order to cover the losses caused by foreign tourists. The Indonesian government has prepared incentive in the form of discounted airline tickets ranging from 30 to 40% for tourist attraction in the country. From March to May 2020, the discount applies to Batam, Denpasar, Yogyakarta, Labuan Bajo, Lombok, Malang, Manado, Silangit, Tanjung Pinang, and Tanjung Pandan. In addition, due to the governments, airlines can also impose discount for the majority of the domestic tourist destinations. Even so, the government of the country affected by the coronavirus must strive to restore the tourism industry after this outbreak has gradually declined. Thus, tourists can travel again and economic conditions can be stable again. Thank you so much.